These mistakes keep you from losing weight. It is common to make mistakes when trying to lose weight, but it is more important to identify them so as not to make them again, as they will hurt you on your way to an ideal weight. Losing weight is not a race. It should be a process that you enjoy and make it part of your life because it will bring many benefits to your health. It may be that the desperation or the anxiety of wanting to lose those extra kilos may lead you to resort to some tricks of friends or acquaintances that do not have to be useful for you. As a consequence, they may cause you not to lose weight as you would like or even gain weight. White termines decepcionado. Así que, vemos los errores que debes evitar si quieres perder peso. Before we continue, we invite you to subscribe to this channel as we offer content that will help you on your weight loss journey and achieve overall wellness. The first mistake is skipping meals. It may surprise you with the opposite effect and lead to weight gain, and also can affect your mood, concentration, cause headaches, indigestion problems, and affect blood pressure. In addition, it can cause fatigue, dizziness, lack of energy, nausea, constipation, bad breath, and increase the risk of kidney disease. The ideal is to have 5 daily intakes: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, plus 2 mid-morning and afternoon snacks. Try to have at least 2 hours between one intake and another so that they are not altered. Number 2, do not eat too much. This error is related to hypocaloric diets, which can be effective in promoting weight loss when they are well designed and supervised by a professional. However, excessively hypocaloric diets can be bad for health. In a hypocaloric diet, the calories provided by food should be less than those consumed by the body, thus forcing it to use its energy reserves. Excessively low-calorie diets are harmful. The organism adapts to periods of deficiency in such a way that it becomes increasingly difficult to lose weight. The result is that as soon as the caloric intake is increased a little, the weight is regained more easily. The fact that you are looking to lose weight does not mean that you cannot eat. You must eat, but in a healthy way. This is the best trick. In this channel, we recommend that you consume healthy fats and carbohydrates, and also lean proteins. A diet with these characteristics incorporates very nutritious foods that will satiate you and help you meet your goals. Number 3, follow a protein and fat diet. Following a high-protein, high-fat diet is not necessarily bad for your health, but it can have some risks if followed for a long time or if it is not done in a balanced way. For most healthy people, a high-protein diet is generally not harmful, especially when followed for a short time. However, many health problems can occur when a high-protein diet is followed for a long time, such as nutritional deficiencies, bad breath, headache, constipation, and increased risk of heart disease. Number 4, continue to drink alcohol. Several studies point out that alcoholic beverages are another factor that prevents you from losing weight. First of all, these drinks are full of empty calories. They do not provide any nutrients to the body, but they do accumulate fat. So, alcohol consumption can negatively affect weight loss, and because all alcoholic beverages are fattening, as alcohol provides 7 kilocalories per g, more than carbohydrates or proteins. A glass of whiskey or rum provides about 350 kilocalories. In the case of fermented beverages, beer, cider, or wine, the caloric intake may be less. Drinking a glass of wine or beer with meals may be a good habit, but it is totally dispensable if you want to lose weight. Number 5, misdetermining ideal weight. If the ideal weight is wrongly determined, there may be negative consequences for health. The concept of ideal weight is not always related to a good state of health and can favor bad eating practices. It is necessary to emphasize that the ideal weight does not exist in a standard way, since each person is different and has unique nutritional needs. So if you have calculated your ideal weight incorrectly, it can lead a person to have an excessive amount of fat that exposes them to certain diseases. Number 4, use of diet pills. Using drugs to lose weight is only justified in extreme cases and has serious side effects. The use of weight loss pills can be dangerous and is not recommended without the supervision of a healthcare professional. Some weight loss pills can have serious side effects, such as heart problems, high blood pressure, insomnia, anxiety, depression, digestive problems, and other health problems. Number 3, Exercise without control. Regular physical exercise is good for your health and also for weight loss. However, exercising without control or incorrectly can be counterproductive. For example, a person who does not practice sport regularly or has never done it before can injure himself if he pushes his body to the limit. On the other hand, many people focus only on cardio exercises, which is a big mistake. Cardio will help you lose fat and muscle mass, so the result will be a poorly toned body. We recommend that you combine strength work with aerobic work. This will promote muscle building, increase metabolism, and get the body to consume more calories. Number 2. Consume everything with the word light in it. You may believe that products labeled with the word light are going to make a strong contribution to weight loss. However, this labeling doesn't always work the way you want it to. Some light products may contain artificial sweeteners that can damage the bacteria in the microbiota and cause changes in the composition and function of the gut. In addition, overconsumption of light products can lead to a tendency to become overweight and obese, as people may think they can consume more of these products without worrying about calories. For this reason, you should carefully analyze each of the ingredients of the foods you buy, especially before purchasing products whose marketing labeling may hide the real nutritional values. In this way, you will avoid consuming extra calories, which will help you achieve your weight loss goal. Number 1. Postpone dinner. This is one of the most common mistakes among those who seek to lose weight by following diets, because it is very easy to fall into it. Even so, delaying dinner time is not the best thing to do when you want to lose weight. The reality is that the later you eat dinner, the more fat you will accumulate in your body and the less fat you will achieve, because in some people delaying dinner makes them feel hungrier and leads to overeating later in the evening. On the other hand, some people may find that eating dinner early helps them sleep better and have more energy during the day. With all this information, you must already feel relieved, right? Have you made some of these mistakes? The important thing is to recognize them and improve your weight loss process, and why not use quality products? We recommend you. Our products are designed to help you speed up your metabolism, which will allow you to reach your weight loss goals in a faster and healthier way, as you can find them together with other products that are easy to prepare, such as our Lasso Tea, NutriBurst Liquid Multivitamin, Organic Supplement, and Delgada Coffee. You will be impressed with all that they bring, as they will benefit you in many ways. Find them in the link of the description. Place your order now. We hope that this video has served you a lot of information for this process in your life, and it is important to have good support. Lifestyle changes are much easier when your family is willing to participate in them or support you. The secret is to work to change a habit and fix it. If you try to change more at once, you probably won't achieve any, and this will lead to a loss of self-esteem. In addition to all this, you can't forget that the key to success in losing weight is to set a clear goal. Do not set unattainable goals or goals that will cost you a titanic effort. And remember, this is not about changing our diet. You are planning to change your life. It won't happen all at once. Maintain a healthy lifestyle and the results will be worth it. If you liked this video, follow us and you will find many videos that will help you to transform your life. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you soon. Description: making mistakes when trying to lose weight is normal. In this video, we review the 10 most common mistakes that people usually make when they want to lose weight. Be sure to watch it to the end to avoid making them again, as they will harm you on your way to the ideal weight. Thus, we are with you in your weight loss journey, so you can't miss it. Click the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And remember that it's not about changing our diet or exercising, it's about changing our life. Keep all your attention on your desire to lose weight and improve your health. Don't forget to complement your process with our products designed to improve the quality of your life, help prevent diseases, lose weight, and much more. Find them here.